Hello, it's Paul. I just want to welcome you to this free training, and I want to show you exactly how to sign up, what you're going to get, and just give you some tips on how to get the most out of this completely free training. So just click on enroll in course for free here. If you're already a member of my training, you can log in if you're not logged in, or you're a Teachable customer, you can log in with Teachable and sign up straight away. But if you're not, just put in your name, Paul Nicholden. Put in your email address. I'll just put one in that I know I haven't used. And put in passwords as usual. I agree to receive instructional. You have to agree to that for me to be able to email you updates and new lessons. I have no problem if you don't click that, but for you, you're going to get more out of the training if you allow updates of me. You know, I post a new lesson or I post something, but I don't. You can change this later. You can tick it or not tick it, and change it later. Terms and conditions, like anything, there's privacy and terms of use. You might want to read it and then sign up for it and just sign up. Oh, password didn't match. Try that. And you're going to get an email. So we're going to get a beep straight away. And you're going to log in to my dedicated Zoho forum. So I'm going to show you what you're going to get via the email. What you're going to get on the email is please confirm your account. And you are now, these two emails are what I get when you sign up. So here's confirm your account. So you have to click that to confirm your email. Thanks for confirming. And here's, you are now enrolled in the Zoho CRM free training course. So you can click that to access it later, and you can save it for later. So you can access it, right? But what you've jumped to after sign up is a sign up form for the forum. This is a training forum where you can actively get involved, reply to lessons, comment, or create new topics on something you haven't found. So again, you're going to need to put in your email address. What's it, 11:48? And a username. So whatever username you are wanting to use, you can change that later as well. Your name and the password again. So this is basically setting up an account. If you've already got one, you can log in, create a new account. It's going to send an email again that you just need to confirm. Here's your Zoho One club email. Activate your account and you are in the forum. Continue to the forum. What you're going to get is a welcome message from a disco bot. It's going to tell you how to use things and what is expected. But in the Zoho CRM training, this is the category you're interested in. Now, this is a full Zoho training forum. There's everything from projects to inventory to Zoho desk, everything Zoho related. What there is after Zoho CRM, once you go from the free version to a paid version, you may want to look at Zoho One, and that is all Zoho apps in one subscription. So this is part of the Z1 club, the Zoho One club that I run, but you're interested in Zoho CRM training, which is this category. So just click in the category, you're going to see official Zoho training, Zoho CRM free version quick start. So if you're on the free version, just click here and you'll see the lessons in order. Lesson 1, tradesman. It's actually for tradesmen because I did the videos based around a tradesman, and if you're a security company, how to use it. But you will get how to understand everything Zoho related via these categories. There'll be more things added. There'll be things you can add. So the Zoho CRM, there's two categories here: Zoho CRM questions and Zoho CRM questions. Yeah, sorry, your Zoho CRM questions and your CRM questions answered. So what happens is you jump in here and you'll see these other people. How do I do an auto reminder? So somebody asked it, just dives in and asks a question. I reply. And then the questions answered are videos that I've created from people answering questions. So you can jump into any lesson, click a reply. This is cool, but how do I don't know, tag a new lead? Thanks, Paul. Right, if you tag my name in, Paul Nicholson, or just Paul, that sends me a message. I'll probably get a beep on my email. Or if you don't see what you want, you just go here to your CRM questions and click new topic. Just create a new topic. How do I clean my contact list before uploading to Zoho CRM? Something like that. And then you put, hey, tag me again at Paul. That'll tag me. Ask your question, a bit more detail. Create a topic, and you are in, right? So you are. This creates a better learning environment for you. It's completely free. The adverts at the top and the bottom are paying for this. So it's an interactive training where you can get the most. Jump in. If you don't see what you need, ask me a question. Just ask away. It's part of the full training. The thing that will get the most out of you. Just simply ask. Dive in. If you get any real problems, just click contact. I don't know if that contact form's working. Yeah, I'm logged in. It's going to jump me in. That'll take you to a contact form. Or you can just email me at support@paulnicholson.com. But don't get stuck. Just dive in. Jump around the training. See what you like. See what you don't like. Let me know any issues you've got. And we'll get you the most out of Zoho CRM. So join today. I'll see you soon. Looking forward to seeing you in the training and finding more out about your business or what company you're working with or your own business. And we're going to get you going forward. Thanks for watching. See you soon.